Can you please like, share, and subscribe to my channel? So I got this 2006 Honda Civic. It's a 1.8. So doing the well, the compressor is not working, so we're gonna replace the compressor. So customer didn't want to buy the lifetime warranty, so and get the 1 year warranty remanufacture compressor. So we're gonna replace this compressor. So what I already did was I removed the alternator wire, which you should be removing the battery terminal, but I did not remove the battery terminal. I just removed from here and twist the cover for that terminal right there, stuck it right there. So I'm going to take off the compressor, show up here. So I already removed the alternator. So now we got more space, so we're going to remove the 12 bolts that hold the tensioner shocks. I already removed one of the lines already, so I'm going to remove this bracket right here. There should be two 12 bolt. Sun is so hot, man. Jeez. Put the umbrella over the van cover, van doors and stuff to get rid of the shade and stuff like that. But the heat. Let's remove one bolt. So hot. Awesome. So now remove the bracket. Now we can see the compressor. I'm not sure. Probably have to remove the fan, but probably not. But we see. If you have to remove the fan. It's another 10. Not. Now that we get the hose removed, so now we're gonna remove the compressor bolt. sir. Okay, so I guess you got to pull it up from the pulley wheel. Also make sure the tensioner shocks, that's this right here, make sure they're facing downward. Yes, that's all of the way now. So let's try now. Let's see. Just like that. You don't even have to remove the fan out of the way. Yeah, and this, to put it back in, to put it in, it's going to be the same process, just the way to get it done. Just like this right here. That's how you get in the new one. That's it right now. Yeah, yeah. So that's how you get all the compressor. So that's how remove the alternator, the tensioner bracket, that's right here, facing the compressor upward from the pulley. So you're gonna hold it like this and take it out upward like this.